How to fix this site cannot be reached error in new Windows 11. Hello everybody and let's get started. If you are facing that this site cannot be reached problem, here are some possible solutions that you can try on. So for this, first of all, you need to open Control Panel on your Windows. After this, tap on the option of Network and Services or Sharing Center. Once you tap on it, it will land to another page. From here, you have to click on your current connection and it will open a new dialog box. From there, you have to search or type in Properties. Once you click on Properties, you will see a new dialog box. Thereby, search for this option called as Internet Protocol version 6. That is TCP/IP v6. Untick the box and click on OK. This should probably fix the issue. However, if it does not, move on to the next solution, for which you have to tap on Internet Protocol version 4 and go to its properties. Then after, click on Use the following DNS server and then you can choose the preferred DNS, which could be Cloudflare DNS or the Google DNS, which stands as 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. Once you have made the changes, click on OK and then go to the site and refresh the page. And that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.